Baby, just want me spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You know, see bumper, the proper size.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know it's SHICKAA CHUNG. Why may I look over this side? Yes, so me feel look. Yes, so guys, I know I have not been here in a long time. Honestly, I was doing the vlogs and then my computer stopped working. I had nothing to edit on, and honestly, I just got busy, but that is no excuse. But today I'm back here again with a tutorial. I will be showing you how to get Salon quality hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this nice slick ponytail. Look how it's slick. Yeah, slicky Anna, well slick and well nice. So I will be showing you guys how to achieve this ponytail. So yeah, stay tuned. Anyways, hey guys, so we're here. We're gonna learn how to do salon quality hygiene ponytail. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna show you guys all the supplies that you guys are gonna need. And I apologize if I keep looking like to the side and then looking back at you guys. It's just a natural habit that I'm trying to look at myself in the camera. But anyways guys, so my hair is freshly washed right now. My hair is relaxed, so this is more relaxed hair friendly, but don't worry, I am coming out with a video for people who are natural haired. But right now my hair is towel dry. It air dried a little bit, so I like when my hair is a little bit wet when I'm doing this ponytail, because the gel and the water, it gets that sleekness and it gets hard and it holds it for a long time. But anyways, you guys will understand the point. But what I'm gonna start with first, I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I am using the Matrix Total Results Break Fix. Can't really get this in a regular beauty supply store. You would get this in like the Cosmo Prof. Yeah, so if you can get it, then you're lucky, but this is in Cosmo Prof. But I just like to put that in my hair because when I do the ponytail, I do not put any like oils or anything in my hair, so I need to make sure that my hair is still conditioned in some form. So I just have that in. I'm just gonna take a little comb and just comb through just to prepare my hair. Anyways guys, so you guys are gonna need a few things to get your ponytail sorted out. So you guys are going to need a paddle brush to help distribute your hair. You guys are going to need a molding comb or cutting comb, anything that looks like this to help you mold the hair. You guys are going to need some shears, some scissors to obviously cut the hair where it's necessary, the weave. You guys are going to need like clips. You guys may need a brush to help achieve some sleekness. You guys are going to need like jumbo elastic bands. You guys can use ponytails too, but I just prefer using elastic band. I feel like it holds better for me. You're gonna need mini rubber bands. It's probably gonna need like 2 or 3. Some bobby pins to help out. You guys are gonna obviously need glue. If you guys like to sew your ponytail on, you can use needle and thread. Me, I personally don't wear my hairs that long, so I'm just gonna glue in my ponytail. You guys are gonna need wrap strips. Yeah. It also comes in white, so if you don't see the black ones, you guys can get white. You guys are gonna need gel. You guys can use any gel that you guys like. Personally, I like the Eco Styler. I normally use the Argan Oil Eco Styler, but this one works for me as well. You're gonna need some spritz. Yes, girl, spritz. And some finishing sprays. I got some hairspray and I got some, what would you call this? Hair polish spray. Anyways, so guys, what I'm gonna do now, so first, what you need to determine where you want your ponytail. You could either have it down, you could have it like kind of to the back, or you can have it high. So for me, I'm doing a high ponytail. I already said that. So yeah. So what the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm not throwing in gel in my hair first or anything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the paddle brush and start distributing my hair in the direction that I need my hair to go. So I'm going to the top, so I'm distributing all my hair towards the top. You can see that all of my hair is up. So I have my elastic band. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna catch my hair where I want it to sit. And as I said, I like to do this when my hair is a little bit damped. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the paddle brush and reinforce all the hairs up into that one ponytail at the top. Make sure everything is good. See? Everything is up. And you guys grab your hair. Like, don't be scared to grab your hair. Don't do it too tight that you're ripping out your hair, but make sure you're grabbing your hair. We're just creating the base for the mold. So now you're gonna catch the ponytail with your elastic band or ponytail, rubber band, whatever you guys wanna use. You catch it. And honestly, like, it's best to start off neat because you want a good base, but if you have a little bit of flyaways, it doesn't really matter because the gel will slick down those flyaways. You guys see that? You guys see that? All right. That was fun. So now my hair is flopping all over the place and I need it to get out the way while I'm slicking it up, right? So what I'm gonna do, take a clip and I just have it like that. I'm trying to fit my hair in the camera, it's not fitting. But you guys see the point. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to start applying the gel to add the sleekness to my hair. So right now it's your choice whether you want to have baby hairs or like any edges or anything or not. Do I want any today? I normally always do it. Okay, I'll add like a little sideburn. So what you want to do is you're gonna just brush out the hairs that you're gonna use your baby hairs. Like so. See, I'm not even using a lot because I don't want it to be that drastic, to be honest. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna add one more clip because my hair is actually really flapping in the way. Okay, nice. So next what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your gel. My gel, my eco style. This is the Super Protein Max Hold number 10. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna dip my hands in the gel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the comb, I'm gonna take it on the finer side, and I'm gonna take some, like so. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start slicking. So I'm just gonna put it on my hair and comb the gel into the hair. And make sure that you're combing into your hair, but not pulling up the hair. Look at the way that I'm setting the comb. I'm setting the comb like this. I'm not going like this because it's gonna root up the hair, you know? I don't want my hair to be root up. I want it to lay flat. So I'm going like that. I'm taking the gel and combing it into the hair, just like so. And it's okay if it catches on your ponytail because it most likely will catch on your ponytail a little bit, but that's fine. And you're just gonna do that throughout the whole entire head. Wherever your baby hairs is, you're not gonna put the gel there yet. You're just gonna have it out and not touch the gel on there yet. So, just like that, combing with the comb flat. Comb flat. You see it? And it's coming together, and this is how you mold your hair. I'm just gonna continue right around. And as you guys can see, as I comb, I'm using my hand to reinforce the gel. I don't know why I keep using the word reinforce. I feel like I sound smart. But I'm using my hand to smooth the gel over my hair to make sure everything lays flat. And you need to make sure that you're doing this, because if you don't do this, your mold is not going to be flat. So make sure that you do this. make sure that you're getting the gel throughout your hair. Because if the gel doesn't get throughout your hair is not gonna stay hard. It's not gonna stay down. It's gonna be bumpy before time. You don't want that. You want your hair to be slick, right? You want to be slicky on, right? So just like that. See? It's getting slick. Same thing with the back. With the back, I'm holding the comb like this, but I'm holding it on an angle, like a 45-degree angle. And then now, that's how I put on the gel, just like this, right? But then I'm gonna turn the comb upside down, just like that, to make sure that I'm not lifting my hair. Then I'm getting the gel on my hair, but not digging through my hair, just like that. See it? And using my hand to smooth the back, just like that. So I'll show you guys again. Grab that, hold it on a 45-degree angle, put the gel on, flip the comb, and just comb it. When you guys are doing it, don't think too hard about it, because when you think too hard about it, that's when you mess up. And if you feel like there's gel at the bottom, you're just going to turn it back on that 45-degree angle and just smooth on the gel. Just like that. Just like that. Right around the hair. And you guys will see like a little bit of fuzz right here. Don't worry. I will put the gel there and you'll see how it will become flat. To make sure that your hair doesn't curl, I'm pretty sure you guys know like sometimes like the back of your hair will start to crinkle. Honestly, you guys see how I look retarded? I'm holding my head forward to make sure that my head back doesn't crinkle before time. Is what I do. Okay. Get in there, get into the top, just like that. Okay. You guys see that? Let me show you guys right around. So this is my mold. Right around. Right around. Okay. So now I'm gonna do a little side, little edges. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the gel on the back of the comb again. Just apply it just like that. And just slide. Use my finger to guide the hair and smooth out the hair. Just like that. And just comb it into your mold. But don't, as I said, don't dig the hair. See? Just like that. Very simple, very smooth. I don't really like the dramatic baby hair, so that is okay for me. Same on the other side. Just like that. Alright? And then just want a little sideburn action. So same thing. Put the gel there. You do it in the shape that you want to do it in. So I'm combing the gel down, putting my finger there to give it a little S motion, and then taking the comb. I'm just gonna swoop it just like that. Look a nice cute swoop. And then same thing on the opposite side. Just like that. Okay. So guys, I'll show you guys the mold one more time. Just like this. See, everything is sleek up. So what I'm gonna do, put on my comb, I'm gonna get my spritz, I'm using the Fantasia Super Hold Polisher Spritz. You guys can't see it. Oh, see there. I love this one. It adds a little shine in it. It has aloe vera, vitamin B complex. It does not really flake up. Just don't use too much. I'm gonna do spray it all over my head. Alright. And this will help to hold the mold. And if you see any other flyaways, you're just gonna touch it up if you feel like you need to touch it up anywhere. We want this to be perfect. We want this to be salon quality, right? Okay. Nice. So this is the basis. This is the mold. The mold is nice. So what we're gonna do, we don't want the mold to get messed up. We're gonna take our wrap strips, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our wrap strips, stretch it. We're gonna put it right around. Make sure it's covering the edges. Make sure. Don't worry about the back because we're gonna use another wrap strip. I'm just gonna do it right under my hairline because I don't want my hair to be like curly. So I'm just gonna do that and tie a knot. I ripped the sheet a little bit. Alright. So you got that. And then I have one more. And this is for the back. So same thing. I'm gonna stretch it. I'm gonna put it here. This time I want it to go on the back. Come right around and tie it. Just like that. Do not do it too tight on the front. This knot should not be too tight because if it's tight, it will put a dent in your hair and it will show in the mold, and we don't want that, right? And I feel like I need to add one more for extra security purposes. As I said, make sure it's not too tight. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it sit on my forehead a little bit because I know how that dent is. Make it sit right on your forehead. Don't put it on your hair. Put it right literally at the front of your hairline. Take one more. Put it around there. Same thing. Go right under the bottom of your hairline. I look crazy, guys. Anyways, so my mold is under this, so it should help it dry and to stay flat. So what I'm gonna do next, it's very optional. I like to do this. This is how I get my salon quality. I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer, and the hooded dryer is gonna help dry down my hair because to keep this hairstyle for a long time, you have to make sure that you dry your hair fully. And when I say fully, I mean fully. And if you don't dry it fully, you may get some flakes, you may get a little bit of whiteness. But so you need to make sure that the hair is dried fully. If it's not dried fully, it will not last. So please, if you don't have a hooded dryer, at the hair store they have I can't remember what it's called. It's like those steam caps or whatever, those hooded caps where basically like this plastic bag thing, you put it over your hair, you stick your hair dryer in it, and you turn on your blow dryer, and then it causes heat. If you can get one, try and get one. I also have this other portable one. I'm gonna see if I can insert a little picture of mine here. Try and invest into that because if you want to get salon quality hair, you need some of the tools. But if you don't have the patience for that, you can keep your hair wrapped down, but make sure you do not remove this wrap until your hair is dry. You guys hear how much I've been like saying this. Make sure you get your hair dry. Dry. Sahara Desert dry, rock solid dry. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and I will be back.